Welcome to another video. So in this video we're going to be replacing the fuel pump relay, and I'm going to give you a little bit of backstory on this. So this car originally comes from Texas. I've had it all over southern Florida, the Florida Keys, so it's been in a lot of hot weather right outside Washington DC, and we had a day the other day where the car was saying that it was 103 outside. Driving along, no problem. All of a sudden, every code, every light comes on, the car shuts off. Like, okay, so I drift to the side of the road, tried to restart it, won't start. So I always keep the plug-in cord for my Pro Tool. Pro Tool is great. You have it on your phone, so it's with you all the time you have your phone. We're going to be showing some things off of the Pro Tool in this video. But I plugged it in, checked it. It said low voltage for fuel pump. I'm like, okay. Read some more, do some more research, and I'm sitting here on the side of the road, and it's saying, you know, that's a sign that it's going bad. It overheats and it's going bad. I'm like, okay. So I tried to restart it again, and it started back up for me. So I just went home, did some more checking, and come to the conclusion that's what it is. I picked up one, and they're not cheap. That's a new one. I would not, you know, that's the one that's in the car. So as you can see, it's right next to the battery in the trunk. This is a 2014 750 Li. You can find them on Amazon for like 45 bucks. You know, I learned my lesson about getting things like that off Amazon. They either don't work or they'll work a week, and you know, it's just like hit or miss. So I mean, they're not cheap, but the odds are, if it says low voltage, this is what's supplying the voltage, and that's what the problem is. It's just two number 10 nuts and two plugs. So we're going to plug it in, and then I'm going to show you some Pro Tool displays. And you can see, you can also, it needs to have the factory programming put back in, which you can do with Pro Tool, which I love about this tool. It's a great tool. You know, it costs you a couple $100 for a lifetime thing. You download it on your phone, and it will work for any BMW. So I hope this gives you some kind of idea of what could be wrong with your car. We're going to go ahead and replace it. Like I say, I'm 99% sure this is going to take care of my problem. Be sure to subscribe. We got tons of videos on BMW and other vehicles. Thank you for watching. You have a pleasant day.